The IC consists of a home screen, which is the one we're currently looking at. If I push the buttons on the left or right, I can check out other menus. For example, Trip A or Trip B. Followed by Driver Assist, where we'll be seeing assistance systems such as the ACC or the Co-Pilot. Next up, Vehicle Information, including tire pressure and service information. Audio does not offer further functions at first sight. We can, however, use buttons behind the steering wheel to switch between the different media sources, change tracks, radio stations, or control the volume. I can use navigation to either display the map, the upcoming maneuver, or to display no information at all. The map always takes some time to load. We definitely want to show you what it looks like though, so we're simply going to start a route guidance real quick. Alright, we can usually see the map without an active route guidance, or like now with an active route guidance. Let's go back to the home screen and continue with our IC overview. We have alerts. This is not where notifications such as open doors or the charging progress are shown. This rather focuses on error messages. Up next are different tutorials, such as display tips, store tips, or slideshow. Last but not least is vehicle setup, separated into display in the following subcategories. There is security and the passenger airbag, plus safety and assistance in the buzzer volume. If we push right one more time, we end up on our home screen again.
Enter a vehicle right from your desk with the interactive HMI database screens.